Welcome, today I'm part of my CUBOT P50 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first, to do that, we should open the screen recording, and just to do that we should launch the open notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here we should find the screen record icon. Just to open the settings, hold for a while this icon, and now we can see here the record audio section. Just to activate for example feature to use the microphone, we should click here once on the switcher, and now the microphone is activated, so we can comment something in our screen recording. If you want to switch it, for example, to device audio, so we can use our audio just sounds like music, calls and ringtones, and also you can use device audio and microphone together. And if you want to just use just record the mute video, you should just click once here on the switcher and you'll just record the mute videos on your CUBOT device. And after that, just tap here to start your screen recording, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.